Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to derate a wire, okay? Um, Derating a wire. All right, this is for ambient temperature and for number of conductors in a conduit. All right, first example here, example number 1. We're just gonna do the derating for amps for the temperature, okay? So here you see I have a number 4 THHN to be installed in a temperature of 113 degrees. If you go to page 150, that is the ampacity table, okay? And you find the ampacity of a number 4 THHN, which is 95. Then I'm going to go to page 147 here, and that's the table. And I'm going to find the multiplier for 113 degrees temperature in a 90 degree column. Why 90 degree? Don't forget we got THHN. All right, so all you got to do is 0.87 is the multiplier for that. And I times it here, as you can see, by the 95 amps, and I got 83 amps. And that's it. That's all you got to do when they're asking just what the amps would be under that temperature. Okay, now example number 2, finding what the amps would be for the number of conductors in a conduit. And this is just the conductors, okay? So we have 7 number 10 THHN conductors in an EMT. So if you go to page 148, and there's the table, you'll find that the percentage would be for 7 conductors is 70%. Okay? All right, so all we have to do is find out what a number 10 THHN conductor draws, which is 40 amps. And I'm just going to times that 40 amps by the 70%, and I'll get 28 amps. Okay? So that's what your answer would be there. All right, so let's go to the last example. Now this is when you have a the load is known for this project we're doing. In this project here, I'm wiring a pool filter. The filter draws 55 amps, and the ambient temperature is going to be 107 degrees Fahrenheit. The conduit to be installed will have 5 conductors in it. All right, I'm going to be using THHN insulation. And you see I picked that a lot because that's probably the insulation you guys are going to be using mostly in your career, okay? So step 1 is to find the 2 multipliers. All right, I need to find the multiplier for 107 degrees Fahrenheit in the 90 degree column because it's THHN. It's 0.87. And for the number of conductors, 5, it comes out to 80%. So when you have both, when I mean both, I mean the temperature and the number of conductors in a conduit, I want you to divide instead of multiply this time. This is the easiest way to find your conductor. So the 55 amps here, let me get my pointer here. I'm divided by the first multiplier, what was 0.87, and I got 63.218. I divided that by the 0.80%, and I got 79 amps. And I went into the ampacity table on 150, and I found out what conductor I will be able to use with 75 amps. And it came out to a number 4 THHN conductor. All right. Any questions on this? Just drop me an email, or we'll discuss it in the conference call or the conference meeting we're going to have tomorrow. All right. Thanks a lot.